Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we'll be learning how to do squats. We'll start with the basic squats. So we'll stand shoulder width apart. Our legs should be in line with the shoulders. Find your balance, tighten up your core. Keep your hands in front of you or on your waist to find the balance. Now we'll go down, inhale as if you're trying to sit on a chair. Try and find your balance, exhale and come up. While you come up, you have to squeeze in your glutes. So inhale, go down, exhale, come up and squeeze your glutes. I'll show it to you from the sides. Always try and find your balance first before starting the exercise. Speed is not important. Balance and posture should be correct to have maximum effect. Always gaze in front of you to find the balance. Inhale, go down. Your knees should be behind your toes. It should not go past your toes. Inhale, go down. Exhale, come up and squeeze that glutes. Inhale, go down. Exhale and squeeze. Next up, we'll try and understand how to do sumo squats. This is the second variation of squats. So for this, we will move our legs slightly wider than the shoulder width. We'll keep our toes pointing outwards. The knees goes pointing outwards. So when you go down, your knees should be pointing outwards rather than in front of you. Always have your core tightened. Exhale as you come up. Inhale as you go down. Find your balance. Exhale as you come up. Squeeze your glutes. Again, I'll show it to you from the sides. Find your balance. Move your legs away from the shoulders. Inhale, go down. Knees are pointing outwards rather than in front. Knees should not go past the toes. Squeeze your glutes as you come up. During the whole exercise, always have your core tightened, your back straight and your chest open. Do not hunch. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more such videos. I hope you enjoy it and please join in my weight loss journey and have a great time. Bye-bye.